First fish. It's moving lakes now. I quit.
Oh yeah.
This is ASMR fishing. Oh yeah, there's a big one. Oh wait, look!
Oh yeah! Let us see your fish. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Oh,
What I tell you about cussing out the fish? Oh dang, look at that chip though. That smacked my fish too. Oh, I'm marking this guy over here where he don't seem like he wants mine either. Oh dang, now I'm about to get skunked. I hate finicky crappies.
come on, man. You gotta at least give me one fish.
At least just one. What do they want? Taking this GoPro off. It's not catching anything. There's nothing. I got whatever that is. Oh, never mind. I don't got whatever that was. Oh. Oh. Wow. That thing is huge. That's what we came here for, guys. 2-inch crappies. John, got one. Oh, what the? John, that's not what we're looking for. New lake, do this. Oh, he's going down though. It just popped up, right? Yeah, unless it's my minnow tail. Oh, let me reel this thing up and look at it first. It is. Oh shoot. Man, bring this whole thing over. It's so dark right now, my GoPro probably can't even pick it up. I thought for sure that was a fish. I was so excited. Oh, I thought that was a fish. A big old bowl. So you're saying I gotta use a bigger bait? I have my ribbon wrap on. I think I might have to try it.
What if they take the bigger bait?
Dude, that guy just zooming on the ice. I'm gonna record that. You know, that guy's just zooming. About to get smoked. Oh, that boy. Come on. Got him. Another one at the bottom. Oh. Why do they have such big mouths? crappie. Where are the big ones at? There's another guy down there looking at my bait. I think I'm marking another one down there. What? You did what? Oh. Dude, they have some big mouths. They could probably swallow it. Oh, mine's at the bottom. Oh, bad. About to get smoked. Got him. This guy's at the bottom. Another tiny one. Oh, this one's fatter. Look at that mouth, though. Darn. Hey, that means there was that one suspended. Or was that one at the bottom too? Oh dang! Smacked it like a bass. Oh. Are you serious? They're at the bottom. Holy smokes. That's crazy. That's crazy. Come on. Let me see a big one. I'm really tempted to work a big bait just to see if they'll eat it. No. Oh, what the heck? Are you a real one? Are you a real one? You have to be a real one to eat this. Is that a fish worthy of my bait? Oh, oh, oh. He's swimming up to it. About to get smoked. You big fish or little fish? Eat it. Oh, you dirtzilla, you. Hold on. Hold on. All right. Ooh, ooh, he wants it. Ooh, oh. You still want it? Oh. Got he. Feels kind of little. Oh. Another little guy. Oh. Daggone it. Oh, pliers? I got one in my bag. Got he. Oh! This guy's so little. Paper lips. He don't want it. He don't want it. Does he want it again? Is he dumb enough to take it again? You imagine if we get a big one out here? Man. Whoa. We filleting these for breakfast. I mean, this is the most action I've seen in 2 weeks, so I'll take it. I need something bigger. Something bigger. Well, if you look at it, they're like everywhere. Oh yeah, Chong's on a roll. Chong's on a roll. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, biggin, biggin. Get him, get him. That one can eat the one you just caught.
Dang, he is heavy as hell.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's carry this thing around here. About 13. Yeah. Close to 13.
Yep.
Chong's catch. Oh my god. Here, let me get a closer shot for you guys. Whoa.
Oh man.
Yeah, big one. Did you get that guy at the bottom? Ooh. Dang. Alright, we need more of him. Feel like we should let go of 2 little ones now that we got him. Nice. See, Chong wasn't catching anything all morning because he was saving up for this big guy. Chong, this is what you got. This is the one you got after. Dang. We need to come back here. We gotta come set up the tent at night. I was like, it's gotta be big. Daggone it, man. Alright. You about to get a 15 today. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna try some plastic. Yo, I brought a Ned rig. Oh, Troy hooked up. Yeah, I brought a Ned rig. Biggin? Wait, did you get it or did you lose it? None of that finicky stuff. I hate those things. Those things are annoying.
Yeah, I think now they know they don't want anything.
All right, we're gonna go down there and we're gonna see if there's something worthy enough to take our bait. Cause we need a real one to take our bait. One of those little fake Dinkasauruses. Another big one? Did he eat it? I can't tell if the one I can't tell if these are eating it or not. Not a big one? Tumbilio? Ooh, let's go see that Tumbilio. Tulibi. Oh, that thing ugly. Oh yeah. Dang, they got such big mouths though. Man, that boy stank. Oh, what the? Ooh. Oh, I got some. I got one too. Thulabi. Oh, they're all loaded right over here. Dude, they're like at 5 feet. Oh, I don't want you. Throw you back in there. I'm gonna save them for my tip. Oh, they're gone. Oh no, it's still there. Oh, bet. Come on. That was a pretty fun fight. I didn't expect it to be a Tulabi. Come on, get down there. Where'd it go? You got all one? Dang! Bet. Charles, let's go over the shop. Oh my god! Thick ice. Oh, that was a lot of work bending. We're moving, boys. Had a couple by me. I was like, what? Because I left it just sitting there. And I came back and it was like a bunch. It was like a couple big marks right by it. I was like, what? Boy. Lower guy. It's gotta be. Oh yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. This is what we came here for. This is the biggest perch I've ever caught.
Probably just
Mr. Fish. Yeah, own that sucker. This is a how-to video of how to catch tiny perch. Oh. Got him. Let's see how small this one is. Oh, it's even smaller than the last one. Here you go, guys. PB.
ooh.
This is what he came here for, guys. Oh yes. Do I have fat heads in the middle bucket bigger than that? All right, I think I just won the contest for smallest fish.
Hi.
Ooh. Tulabi.
Yeah, I'm about to get back. Yeah. Hi.
Hold on. My spoon. I need to throw my spoon back down there. Did you get him? Oh, he got out. Oh, I see him. Tulebe, tulebe. I got some shiny. See if they eat it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on.
Okay, come back.
Oh, got him.
Got it? Yep, good.
I think that should be good. Oh, this guy's. Oh, this guy's bigger. Oh no! Oh, this was huge. He took my spoon. Oh, stupid transducer, man. He was stuck in my transducer. I had hold of him. What the frick? He smacked it. That was my good one. He just ate the bare spoon. I didn't have anything on it. Not gonna lie though, that was pretty fun fighting on this rod. Did I get him? I think I got him. I got this little dink. This guy's really small. Oh! They're getting smaller and smaller. Oh my gosh, this one even smaller than the last one. No, he's not going back down. I think I pulled him up too fast. He's traumatized. Oh, it was heavy for a second. Maybe he did eat it. Oh, yeah. This guy ate it. Let's see how big this guy is. Oh, I think this one's even smaller than the one before. By like a little bit. Oh, oh, oh. Get down there. Get down there. Oh, he's so little, he's stuck on ice. Breaking all sorts of PBs today. Big ones and small ones.
This one's a layer.
Yeah, this guy's going. Yeah, he's spinning.
Spinning?
Yeah.
Still going?
Kinda
Go for
slow.
a little bit.
Right as I caught that dude. Maybe he spit it. Oh, he's still down there.
This is a layer right here.
I think he got off. He spit it. Yeah.
Saw that flag go. Oh, God.
Yeah, he took a chomp out of it. This guy's traumatized. Boy, thing popped up so fast. I hopped off the truck so fast. Yeah, I got her. He's kind of small. Either that or he's coming up. Head shakes.
Copy. Smallie.
Rock bass.
What the fuck?
Rock bass.
Big old rock bass.
I mean, it's a smallmouth crappie. I mean, tip of a fish is a tip of a fish, right? That's we call these smallmouth crappies. Smallmouth crappies. Look, it's got it's got the fins of a crappie. I guess no skunk tonight, right, guys?